Children, welcome back to your EVS class. Hope all are reading your textbook every day and writing the new words. Are you doing? Yes, I know you all will do it because you all are good children. Let us start today's session by recollecting the things which we learned in our previous classes. Okay? This is our second chapter, the sun, the moon and the stars. First of all, we discussed about the universe. It is a big open place that contains everything. The sun, the earth and the other planets, the moon and the stars are objects in this universe. The sky also a part of it. Next, we discussed about the sun. The sun has 8 planets revolve or move around it. The family of the sun is known as solar system. Next we discuss about the stars. Stars are huge balls of hot gases. We can see groups of stars forming an imaginary shape or pattern in the sky. These pattern or shapes are called constellations. We have some examples for constellations. The Great Bear, Orion the Hunter, Leo, Canis Major and Hercules are some examples of constellations. Next we discuss about the moon. It is a ball of rock that revolves around the earth. It is our nearest neighbor in space. Today we will discuss about the moon in detail. Okay. How many of you like to watch the moon at night? I know many of you like to watch the moon, even me, because the night sky is very beautiful with the stars and the moon. Do you ever notice any changes in the shape of the moon? Yes, it looks as if the shape of the moon changes every day. Why does the shape of the moon changing every day? There is a reason behind that. Today, we are going to discuss about that reason. As we discussed in our previous class, the moon cannot produce their own light. It lit up by the light of the sun. We can only see the part that is lit up. Children, you can see the different phases of the moon in this diagram. Can you see? Yes. When the moon will reach in between the earth and the sunlight will reach only one part of the moon. The other part, which is facing towards the earth, will be very dark. We cannot see the moon that time. So, that phase of the moon is known as new moon. What it is known as? New moon. What is the spelling of new moon? N-E-W-M-O-O-N. New moon. After 2 or 3 days, we can see little part of the moon. Little portion of the moon. That moon is known as crescent moon. What it is known as? Crescent. C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T. Crescent moon. M-O-O-N. Crescent moon. Again, after 1 week from the new moon, we can see the half portion of the moon. That moon is known as half moon. We can see the half portion. So that is why it is known as half moon. What is the spelling of half moon? H-A-L-F. Half. M-O-O-N. Moon. Half moon. Again, after 2 or 3 days from this half moon, we can see little more portion of the moon. This moon is known as gibbous moon. What is the spelling of gibbous moon? G-I G-B-B-O-U-S. Gibbous moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Gibbous moon. After 2 weeks from the new moon, we can see full portion of the moon. When the moon reaches to the opposite side, we can see the moon. We can see the full moon because the sunlight will reach to the portion which is facing towards the earth. That is why we can see the full moon that time. After 4 more days, we can see again gibbous moon because these both shapes are same. Again, after 3 days, we can see half moon. After 4 days, crescent moon. Then at last, 3 more days after, we can see new moon. So children, study the name of each phases by writing in your notebook 5 times. Just like we did in our last week. Write 5 times and show to your parents. It will take 28 days to the moon for revolving around the earth. So after a new moon, we can see the next new moon after 28 days. So children, what is phases of the moon? The shapes of the moon as seen from the earth are known as phases of the moon. Once again, the shapes of the moon as seen from the earth are known as phases of the moon. Let us recollect the things which we learned today. Today we have discussed about different phases of the moon. What is phases of the moon? The different shapes of the moon as seen from the earth are called the phases of the moon. Actually, the shape of the moon is not at all changing. Then why do we feel so? Because by the moon revolving around the earth, we can see a small portion of the moon which they get the light, sunlight. Then we feel shape of the moon is changing every day. Next we learned about different phases of the moon. The first phase, new moon. Second phase, crescent moon. Third, half moon. Fourth one, gibbous moon. And the last one, full moon. Hope all of you understood the topic. We'll see in our next class.
Goodbye all and take care.